Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The ruling All Progressive Congress has reacted to the feeling across Nigeria that it could be defeated in the 2023-27 presidential election by a combination of forces of Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State, and the Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 presidential election, and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, former vice president and presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 presidential election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Now, many people have expressed the view that Obi and Atiku combination has the potency of defeating the All Progressive Congress in a free and fair election in 2027. Ismail Ahmed, a very top chieftain of the APC, has also said that is something that they wish would never happen. He said that God forbid that Peter Obi and Atiku could come together. Apparently, some people in the APC leadership wanted to counter Ismail Ahmed by claiming that they have no fear at all about Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar coming together, saying that nothing can stop President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in winning the 2027 election, not even the alliance between Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar. This assertion was made by the National Publicity Director of the All Progressive Congress, Bala Ibrahim, when he spoke with the Punch newspaper. He claimed that Tinubu has all it takes to defeat any alliance in 2027. But he failed to tell Nigerians on what basis will Nigerians, the Nigerian voters, go to the polls in 2027 and vote for candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu. What will be the basis? Are they going to vote for him because they are happy that they pay more for fuel now than ever before? Are they going to vote for him because they pay more for a bag of rice than ever before? Are they going to vote for him because they eat once a day now, or most of the time don't even have nothing to eat? Is that why they will vote for him? On what basis would the APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu be rewarded in 2027? Is Bala Ibrahim saying that Nigerians are daft, that they will reward incompetency? They will reward the shenanigans of the APC in 2027, despite everything they are passing through. Is that what Bala Ibrahim is telling Nigerians? That Nigerians cannot think. They don't know what is good for them. That they love suffering. They love the hardship. They love that Naira is exchanging for 1,700 Naira to the dollar. Today, the highest ever in Nigeria's history. And has even gone higher than that in some occasions under the APC. So Nigerians are going to come out to the polls and reward Bola Tinubu and the APC. The only thing they can say with certainty that will guarantee them the victory will be the Independent National Electoral Commission. doing what they did in 2023 when they shut down the electronic transmission of results and claimed that there were glitches. The only thing that could make them win is if the election was not free and fair, just like the 2023 election. But for that, I do not think that there is any reasonable Nigerian who will vote for APC in 2027. No reasonable Nigerian will vote for that. The only people that will vote for them are those who are eating in the same table with them right now. But they are very few and insignificant to the level that they cannot be able to muster the votes to keep them in power. So it's surprising that instead of APC keeping quiet, they are doubling down to claim that they can be able to win, that Tinubu will win. Have they been able to sample the opinion of Nigerians? This is Tinubu that was rejected by a majority of Nigerian voters. Over 15 million Nigerians said they don't want him to be president of Nigeria in 2023 election. They voted against him. He became president by a minority of vote, 8.7 million, according to her annex disputable figure. That's what they use in declaring him president. Overwhelming number of Nigerian voters rejected his candidacy. That should have been a reminder before they begin to boast that they are going to have a walkover in 2027. Even with all the decapitation of the opposition parties, the People's Democratic Party and the Labour Party by the APC, Nigerians are aware of this game being played. When the elections are held in 2027, they will know that Nigerians know what they are doing. They are no fools. The same way they were able to see that Tinubu was not good for the country, that made almost 15 million Nigerians to vote against him in 2023, will even galvanize more to vote and protect their vote in 2027. I think what the opposition are looking for, because I have spoken to a lot of opposition leaders, what they are praying for and what they want is a level playing ground in the election. Let there be an amendment to the Electoral Act. All the gaps that had given INEC the leeway to behave anyhow, to stop the rascality in the INEC, where the INEC chairman can decide how to call out the election, is streamlined, and the INEC chairman cannot go outside that line. That is what the opposition are looking for. That's what Nigerians are praying for, that the amendment to the Electoral Act must be such that the INEC chairman cannot have a decision of his own outside of the act, outside of the law. The era where INEC will do electronic accreditation and voting and everything, then when it comes to the announcement of the results, INEC will say they are doing manual coalition of results. Should not and must not be allowed in the coming election. I agree that people are apprehensive. There are a lot of things working in Tinubu's favor. People look at it and say, okay, Tinubu was able to defeat Buhari because Buhari never wanted him to be the candidate of their party. He was able to march despite the opposition of Buhari. He was able to emerge despite everything that happened in the election. Now that he is the commander-in-chief, that defeating him will be an uphill task. Perhaps it may be, but it is not impossible to defeat him. Despite his powers, he has appointed the Chief Justice of Nigeria, which will help him allegedly if the matter gets to Supreme Court in 2027, He's going to appoint the INEC chairman in 2025 that will conduct the election in 2027. Those are big gains for him. But when Nigerian people speak unequivocally from north to south, east to west, that they are tired of the suffering under the APC, not even anybody can be able to withstand the tsunami that will sweep APC out of power. Because we're talking about here people's power. Already, religion has failed. People who use Muslim ticket to war the North has seen the light. They have seen that, look, they were scammed. It didn't make any difference in their lives. Their lives got worse under the APC, under the Muslim ticket. So you can't use that again to war anybody in the North. The North are looking for change. So what else? The Emilacon that you use in interim, okay, it favors some section of the Southwest people, but not even all of them. So at the end of the day, what is important is that the people of Nigeria will speak, and they will speak unequivocally. And when they do that in their numbers, I can tell you for free, APC could be history in 2027. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it higher and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.